Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix Siri not working issue on iPhone 15. So guys, if your Siri is not working on your iPhone 15, you can try some troubleshooting step and resolve the issue. So guys, first of all you have to do is check your internet connection. Siri requires an internet connection to work. Indicate that you have a stable internet connection, whether it's through Wi-Fi or cellular data. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data to see if the issue persists on both. After this, then you should do is activate Siri. Check if the Siri is enabled on your device. To do this, simply have to go to your settings, tap on Siri and search, and make sure that the Siri is turned on. After this, then you have to do is reset Siri. If it still doesn't work, then you have to do is you reset your Siri. You can try resetting Siri by going to settings, going to Siri and search. Now tap on Siri, listen for, and simply tap on off and then reset it again. After these and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is check your language and region settings. So guys, ensure that your language and region settings are correctly configured. Siri languages and voice recognition depend on these settings. You have to go to your language and regions and you have to make sure that the language and regions both are correctly selected. After checking your language and region and still facing the issue, then you have to do is check for microphone access. Siri relies on your device microphone. Ensure that the Siri has access to your microphone. To do this, simply have to go to your settings, go to privacy and security. Now scroll up, and go to microphone. And from here, you have to make sure that these all are enabled. After checking your microphone you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is reset your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve software glitches. To do this, simply have to go back and then tap on General, tap on shut down your iPhone 15, then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. If restarting doesn't work, then you have to do is check for software update. Ensure that your iPhone 15 operating system is up to date. Go to settings, go to software update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. After trying this all solution and you're still facing the issue, then you can do is reset your all settings on your iPhone. To do this, you have to open your general, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.